Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Erickson TV. Hello Lauren.
Hey Curtis.
Hey Lauren, we're winding down to days and minutes for 2013 and we're going to come up to 2014 here soon. And I thought we'd talk about New Year's resolutions for investors.
Okay.
All right.
That's the first resolution, invest.
Right.
Do some investing.
Right. And as we know, we talked about this in a couple previous episodes about mutual fund inflows, that there's less than half the U.S. population is even invested in the market.
Right.
So that's a problem.
That is a problem.
Last week, if you want to go back and look at that, we talked about a USA Today article that was, in our eyes, a little bit dangerous because it talked about predictions and trying to invest based on predictions, and all these so-called experts picked different stocks. USA then came up with a follow-up article, which is in very small print, kind of buried by all the stock picking charts, and they talked about New Year's resolutions for investors.
Of course, this article is a good article.
It's a good one, and that's why I wanted to highlight it for our last episode for 2013. Okay. Number one, create an investment plan.
Yes, definitely. I agree with that.
Your financial plan should reflect your financial goals and your attitude toward risk.
Yes.
Perfect. Number two, review your investment portfolio and make sure that it's the portfolio is constructed and designed to meet your long-term goals. You know, is your portfolio the right mix of assets, of stocks and bonds? That's good.
Yeah, that's definitely good.
And is it time to rebalance your portfolio?
Excellent advice.
To get it back in sync. So that's that's another one on
Excellent.
that. Last one, I really like this one, and they're contradicting themselves, but it says tune out the noise.
Right.
Tune out all the media jargon such as is the market in a bubble, are stocks overvalued or undervalued, is Twitter a buy? Drown out the noise and stick to your plan.
In other words, ignore the rest of our newspaper.
That's right. We're going to toss these away to finish up the episode. But I think that's very sage advice. And the only thing we could maybe add a little more detail to help people is coming up with the plan actually can be quite simple. We believe that you do not need to invest in individual stocks to achieve this type of planning. And we can help. We can find global corners of the market that will help you achieve your goals and manage your risk. So, anything you want to add to that?
Yeah, I think investing can be very, very simple if you do it right, and I think that people underestimate how good the results will be if you stick with a simple plan as opposed to trying to do something very, very, very complicated. And what's very, very complicated is probably not going to work anyway, and what's worse is you probably won't stick with it.
So to summarize this final episode of 2013, before we wish you a Happy New Year, the 3 points of the article is review your allocation between stocks and bonds, rebalance, and turn out the noise.
That's right.
Very good. Let's wish them a Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
2014. Bye now.